What where do you see the advantage of doing the 3D metal printing versus just CNCing the whole thing?
Yeah, that's a great question that everyone should understand the answer to, because it's so I always say if it can be machined, you should machine it. Where you get the advantages from 3D printing, particularly in metal, is by taking advantage of geometry that you cannot machine. As an example, one of the famous example is GE has a fuel nozzle for their LEAP engine, and through that fuel nozzle, they have printed like venturis, so passages that get smaller and bigger. There's no way you could drill that or machine that inside of a part, right?
Yeah.
But what that does is it helps atomize the fuel better,
Mhm.
which results in a significant fuel savings.
Mm.
I think they claim 18 to 20% better fuel utilization. So
Wow.
and then injection molding, conformal cooling, printing in cooling lines that run through the injection mold that actually conform to the geometry. So they're sort of snaking cooling channels inside of a part. Though no way you could do that. Hypersonic missile components can build in baffles and things that'll dissipate the shock wave. No way to get in there and machine those. Rocket companies are printing rocket casings, and instead of having fuel lines that are sort of attached to the outside of the case, they're just printing channels through the part for the fuel to run through.
Mm.
So it minimizes assembly, but it also that fuel running through the casings helps cool it down.
Yeah.
So that's just but a few, but those are the types of things where 3D printing of metal really makes sense. But if you're trying to take a machined part and say, "Oh, can I print it?" You can, but the economics are not going to work. The
Right.
only way the economics work is if it's giving you value in some other way.